Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, Technical Trader. It's Wednesday, September 22nd. These are the charts of the day. Once again today, we're featuring Element and Minerals, AAU. I believe the stock is near, and if not started, it's a new move today. Notice the 2-week coil or pennant pattern. Today it popped a little bit, got up 18 cents or almost 7%. 472,000 shares, that's the biggest volume in several days. And it looks at this point like that one may be headed to our near-term target at 330 or so, secondary target at 450. ASYS is starting to bubble under. And take a look at the 3-week consolidation. Today jumping up a little bit, 19 cents, but maybe getting going here. I'm anticipating a breakout and a run that takes us to 19.5, my short-term trading target. Swing trade position. IDT popped yesterday, followed through a bit today, up another 23 cents. It just looks like this one is out and away out of the coil, above the 50-day. Volume is increasing. Technicals are starting to surge. This one could start to take off. Test that 1970 range, which is now my short-term target, and then secondary target up around 24.5. Up next is Next Stage Medical, NXTM. Yeah, a couple of days ago, it poked its head out above the 2-month trading range, followed through with some nice volume yesterday, another 65 cents today. Technicals are starting to emerge. We're seeing maybe a move to the top of the channel, which measures around 22. That's our next trading target for it. Oncolytics, ONCY today, biotech jumped out of this nearly year-long base by that spike yesterday on heavy volume. It added another 48 cents or 11% today. It certainly looks like it's headed towards the trading target up in the 5.5 and then 6.25 zone. Satyam Computers, SAY, Indian information technology firm, exploded yesterday by popping out of this and noticing the 3 million share day, up 32 cents or 6%, up another nearly 20% today on 7.3 million shares. And it now appears that the short-term trading target up around 7 may be met as early as tomorrow. And but a move beyond that which would take out this major long-term resistance line, could get a quick move up towards the 9.5-10 zone, my secondary trading target. Recent portfolio swing trade pick, SVNT Pharmaceuticals, which spiked up in heavy volume, and then on positive drug news, has been working its way higher today, spiking up $1.57. Most of that coming late in the session. It's more than 5 million shares traded today, and it looks like this stock may be headed for a move into the mid-20s, my short-term trading target on SVNT. TPCG has been moving since it broke out 4 days ago. You can see the extension of the move today, up another 48 cents. But it looks to me like the top of the channel may be challenged, or at least taken a run at. That's around the $30 level. Let's call that an intermediate target, 30.31. Short-term trading target at 25. TTP, Trintech Group, TTPA symbol. You can see it had a significant price volume surge starting yesterday, breaking out of this consolidation range. Today, breaking through the May highs and jumping $1.73 or 30%. Low volume, thin stock, but this is one that could be a runner. My next trading target, 11.5 on that one. And that's some of the ideas for the night on the long side. Now on the short side, I wanted to show you a few of our stocks that we're keeping our eyes on that from the Boxer Shorts list that appear to be vulnerable here. Cree continues to look weak. Let's scroll in on that. You'll see that the bear flag that formed recently appears to be slipping. It appears to be slipping out of it, and if it continues to fall here, I have a target around 44 for the stock on the short side. DPS, Dr. Pepper Snapple had a big hit earlier in September from the bear flag. Today dropped 37 cents to near the lows, and any further movement to the downside, and we're looking at 32.5. And beneath that, potentially something in the high 20s. JCG, a member of the weak retail group, appears to be rolling over after tagging resistance. Have a target around 28. Rubicon broke hard out of the bear flag the last two sessions, dropping $1.93 yesterday, or 8%, another nearly 8%, or $1.67 today, and the stock seems to be cascading lower as heavy volume comes into it on the breakdown. Technical trading target around 18. Beyond that, something down in the mid-teens may be doable. SAFM, Sanderson Farms, broke out of a big wedge, bear wedge here. It's starting to slip. I have a target down around 37.5. Quite negative technicals, and certainly a very distinct parallel down channel, calling for a move down to 36 to test the October 09 lows. And lastly, today's SLAB, Silicon Laboratories, which broke hard earlier the month, moved up in an orderly bear flag fashion. Today dropped back 57 cents, but it appears to me like a move that tests the bottom of the channel down around 33 may be forthcoming. If that's broken, ultimately a move down towards 30. Those are some ideas on the long and short side for tonight. Take it easy.